Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to be resolving this query that what is the difference between Tabby and Tabby Plus. So if you are also confused between these two products from Tabby, then make sure you watch the video till the end. So first of all, we need to understand what is Tabby. So Tabby is a buy now pay later service, whereas Tabby Plus is a monthly subscription service that enhances the Tabby experience. If we talk about Tabby's benefits, so Tabby lets you split the purchases into 4 interest-free payments, and it has no hidden fees and it can be used anywhere Visa is accepted. Whereas if we talk about Tabby Plus, the Tabby Plus includes the benefit of Tabby Plus up to 5% cashback on Tabby card purchases, priority support 24/7. It will also going to cost $49 per month after the first month, and it can be cancelled anytime. It allow you to pay in for anywhere Visa is accepted, and it lets you on 1% cashback on Tabby card purchases. So you can subscribe to Tabby Plus with the help of the activating Tabby Plus in the application and making a purchase with the Tabby card outside of Tabby partner network. So Tabby is a shopping and financial services app that's based on the MENA region. It is used by over 40,000 plus global brands and small businesses, including Amazon, Adidas, IKEA, and H&M. So I hope I was able to define the differences between these two. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.